nice. Scooch. I was piss poor, sleeping on the dirt floor, and we couldn't pay the rent, so it's a notice on the door. The neighbors been noticed, so what I'ma front for? Using pennies for the bus, like what I'ma stunt for? Mama working like a dog, but we still broke. We lighting candles in the house, cause the lights off. The best thing that ever happened, I got kicked out. Bought me a Chevy, got a grill, now I'm gold mouth. I lost my daddy last year, I couldn't even cry, cause it's so hard to shed a tear, he didn't even try. The only person in the world I could fully trust was my older brother Vic, that's just how it was. Top in the trunk, just for bankroll and slam dunk. I miss that girl Beasley, she was a real one. I had an artist that I treated like my own son. Gave him the shirt off my back and my own gun. R.I.P. to shout it low, Mr. Dun Dun. It's been raining so long, when the sun coming? I'm drop top, but put the top up when the storm coming. Sometimes I think about my past, it make me start tripping. I was gifted with a talent that was God-given, but I was so hard-headed I would not listen. Sometimes I sit and I reflect about that cold prison, and doing pull-ups with a nigga got a life sentence. They gave my nigga grand life, he on the game room. 5 years later, how we in the same room? You go to jail, that's when you see who really love you. I don't think nobody love me like my auntie Jean do. R.I.P. my auntie Jean and Uncle Goat too. How you gon' judge me? You don't know what I've been through. I think these killers need a hug, I need a hug too. You send a slug, I send a slug, you know how thugs do. But I forgive, I've been forgiven, I hold grudges too. I'm just a work in progress, I'm not even through. But I forgive, I've been forgiven, I hold grudges too. I'm just a work in progress, I'm not even through. Wow. Whew.
Take heat, fuck these niggas up.
Look, I just flipped the switch. Flip. I don't know nobody else that's doing this. Bodies start to drop, ayy, hit the floor. Now they wanna know me since I hit the top, ayy. This a rolling, not a stop. Watch, shit don't never stop. This the flow that got the block hot. Shit got super hot, ayy. Give me my respect, give me my respect. I just took it left like on ambidex. Bitch, I moved through London with the Euro steps. Got a sneaker deal and I ain't break a sweat. Catch me cause I'm gone, out of there I'm gone. How I go from 6 to 23 like I'm LeBron. Serving up a pack, serving up a pack. Niggas pulling gimmicks cause they scared to rap, ay. Funny how they shook, ay. Got these niggas shook. Pulling back the curtain by myself, take a look, ay. I'm a bar spitter, I'm a hard hitter. Yeah, I'm light skinned, but I'm still a dark nigga. I'm a wig splitter, I'm a tall figure. I'm a unforgiving, wild ass dog nigga. Something wrong with him, got him all bitter. I'm a bill printer, I'm a grave digger. Yeah, I am what I am. I don't have no time for no misunderstandings again. This a rolling, not a stop. Watch, shit don't never stop. Took the business and ran it for me. I let Ollie take the aisle, told him brand it for me. I get 2 million a pop and that's standard for me. Like I went blind, dog, you gotta hand it to me. Gotta give me that shit, dog. Prayed, then I prayed again. Had a moment, but it came and went. You don't wanna play with him, no. There'll be morning you like 8 a.m. Pinky ring till I get a wedding ring. Love my brothers, cut them in on anything. And you know it's King Slime, Drizzy, damn. Yeah, she just said I'm bad, I hit the thizzle dance, man. Drake shit. Either hand is the upper hand. Yeah, shit. Got a bubble on my other hand. Yeah, shit. This shit ain't It's a rolling, not a stop. Watch shit don't never stop.